If you don't do these settings on YouTube, your videos will not get views. Yes, you heard it right. Many newly started YouTubers think that they don't get views without knowing the settings. In this video, I will tell you 6 basic YouTube settings. By doing these settings, your channel will grow and the videos you upload will get good views. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And without any delay, let's jump into the video. Friends, here I have created a new account to explain clearly to you. We have 2 ways to access additional settings. Here, if we click on our channel logo, which is visible in the top right corner, options will open. Click on settings. Here you can see some options. Click on channel status and features option. Some advanced settings can be set here. This is one method and another method to open these settings. Here, if we click on our channel logo, which is visible in the top right corner, options will open. Click on YouTube Studio option, then your Channel Creator Studio will open. Here, you can see left side some dashboard options visible, and click on Settings option that appears in bottom left. Then, your basic settings window that you need to do will open. On the left side, you will see main settings options. First, select your currency and general options. Then go to the channel options. Here you can see some settings that basic info, advanced settings, and feature eligibility options. First, let's change basic info. Select your country here. This is the mistake many people make and ignore these settings. But this is a very important setting. If you do not select our country options here, your channel will not be monetized. Check whether this setting is set in your channel or not. Add your country. Next, enter the keywords related to your channel here. Because of this, instead of giving every time keywords, automatically when we upload the video, the keywords we have given will be added to the video. For example, I'm adding keywords that related to my channel. Decodesoft, software, decode, tutorials. These keywords I added instead of adding every time manually. Here you can see how many characters we are using. Then, come to Advanced Settings tab. Here, for whom you are uploading the content on your channel. Doing it for the kids, or is it for adults, is to be selected. Or keep it as third one that I want to review this setting for every video option. Then go to the Feature Eligibility option. This option is enabled by default for everyone. But in this option, we cannot upload more videos in a day, and we cannot upload videos with longer than 15 minutes, and we cannot add the custom thumbnail that we want. If you want these features, we need to enable the second option, that intermediate features. To enable this option, click on Verify Phone Number on the right side. It will take you to the another page here. Here, if you want to get verification code in SMS, select first option. If you want to get code on call, select second option. Then select a country below and enter your phone number and click on Get Code. Enter the code received on your mobile here and enable the intermediate features option. In this option, if you want to upload videos longer than 15 minutes, you can upload. And upload custom thumbnails of your choice live streaming is also available. Next, moving on. Advanced features option. This is very important. You must be enabled if you are a creator. You can get few more advanced features by enabling this feature that appealing content ID claims, create more live streams daily, upload more videos daily, create more shorts daily, embed live streams. External links and video descriptions will all be enabled. And especially if you want to monetization on your videos, this feature should be enabled. If it is not enabled, I will make a separate video for this. Tell me in the comment if you want a video. Next, go to the Updated Defaults options. Here we can add default description like Instagram links, Facebook links, website links, and content description, whatever that you want. And set visibility to private, then add tags that related to your channel and save settings. It will add automatically while uploading a video. This will save lots of time. You can add or modify here if you want. You don't need to enter manually every time. This is the main basic settings. If these settings are not in your channel, put them immediately and grow your channel. If you want to know such tips, subscribe this channel. And I have also made a video on how to create realistic images for free using AI. Watch it right away. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye now.